For the better, those moments of loss, peace, and pain. Sinigil ako ng kainitan. The loss of my brother signaled the end of my childhood. But that also started me on a journey to becoming more mature, responsible, loving man. I went around that prison of me is a never-ending work in progress. I have to learn to trust better, to have more faith in the world and trust people. I'm working on becoming a person who doesn't hurt others when I am hurting, to become a person who can transform my pain into something that heals others instead. Blessed ako to have the love and support ng aking pamilya, mga kaibigan, at syempre, teammates. As I try to be kinder, wiser, and a happier day than you. I wish that we all find the same unconditional love in our lives. Di lang kapag nag-dance ng days. Karangalan ko na makasama ko sa journey na ito. But before I leave, you gotta be the champion natin.
Go Bears, fight and win! Go Bears, fight and win! One last time! Go Bears, fight and win!
Siguro sa unang mundo, hindi ko nakasakit. Pero lagi ko nakaalala ang mga mga babae. Ang tapang, umiiyak, pero hindi nagtapos nila. I needed to be brave so I can go out into the world and conquer. I didn't expect that I was going to journey deep into my soul and find the strength to hold on to my beliefs and values. At kailangan natin panindigan ng totoo, tama, at mabuti. I didn't set out to change the world. I made sure that the world was not going to choose me because I'm mature and simple. I had to face up to those that I did not want to become one. I had to accept that when I made the bully, I had to find a way to help him become better and do right by the people. I also had to learn to accept that the people we love can stand by us well, and that sometimes need to take their own separate journeys from us. Magkakaroon tayo ngayon. Gusto ko maniwala na matapang tayong lahat ng mga. Hindi ko sa Diyos. Iwan ko sa Diyos ko at ang tawag mo.
I'll take that for my answer. I focus on my